Darlings, do I have a treat for you? Juvia's Place has come out with the Iron Skin Hydra Tint Foundation Stick, and it is the best thing on the market as far as I am concerned. When I tell you it is a flawless match to my skin, I have no words. And from there, my darlings, we have the contour, plus we have the highlighter. Darlings, this lasts all day. It's very light on my skin. It feels breathable. You have the Hydrates with the Hyaluronic Acid. It improves the appearance of my skin. You have to remember, I am an over 50s girly. There is nothing like it. That is why I stick with Juvia's Place. When it comes to their foundation, there is none other. Absolutely what? None other. Congratulations, Juvias. Yet again, this is the best. You have to try it out, my darlings. And do not say I never gave you anything.